Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner and we are coming to you with our math video today. This one is going to be a skip counting one and we are using the K5 Learning website. This is a wonderful website that I've done a video over navigating. It has content up to 6th grade for both math and reading, but we are going to be in the math, the grade 2 area, and I chose a skip counting to practice our evens. We might switch to odds afterwards. So let's go ahead and get some practice in together. So I've got this up right now. We're going to switch into our drawing and we're going to do green. So it's when we're skip counting by twos, it's like we're counting by twos. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, and I think I can scroll. I can. This is awesome. So this is PDF, and we can scroll with it as well. We're at 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. And that's as far as we're going to go on this one. So when we're skip counting, it's like we're adding 2 each time. I'm going to exit out of that one. And I'm going to go back. And there is an odd ones right here as well. We're going to open up the 30%, zoom in on it a little bit, take out our drawing, switch to green because of course we have to, and we're going to skip count by 2, but now we're doing it by the odd numbers. So it's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 17, 19, excuse the handwriting, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41. Where did I mess up? Nope, I didn't. 43. My dyslexia kicked in. 41, 43, 45, and 47. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to continue just a little bit more. 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, and 79. So we have practiced going evens, counting by twos, or skip counting by twos, and now the odds, skip counting by twos. And when we're skip counting, it's just we're adding that number each time, so plus 2. This is Mr. Turner with our math video. If you did enjoy the video and you found it informational and beneficial, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Help us grow so that we can help more people. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, wishing you a fantastic rest of your day.